Mello. If you ain't never pop a bitch, pistol. Pistol. My shit fucked up. Yeah, hold that bitch in that in. Switch my opponent and bitch them hoes still smoking phone bitch. No block, man. Bitch! Pussy. What up? Bitch! Yo! Gangsta, told the boy I'm gon' spank him. Can't wait to catch him and paint him. Red Damon over there. Ex my acquaintance. Bite you. My gator say he a ranger. Pistol piece swinging and banging up that bitch. You're in a ranger, yeah. Ain't tryna throw with that. We got plenty of hoes. No problem. Yeah.
Put some music on, man. Yeah, where we get that? Marshall, man. I'm not gonna suck money. I'm walking out.
Yeah! Don't wear no way. Stupid. I been at it, Lord.
Why you do that?
And she pull up wig on that. Ain't on my mind, I don't give a f about that. Yeah. Stupid bitch. Stupid bitch. Stupid. What up? When a bitch ain't stupid, we pull up bustin' that bitch and
Okay.
huh? Yeah.
You see my shit.
Yeah.
You see my shit.
Yeah.
I mean, what that look like taking pictures, pussy?
Is that bitch on here?
Better go live.
Why would you put me on live? Dead on me, gonna play though. Take your shit.
Nah, wait. Let you done, big sis.
I'm cool though. You see what I'm talking about though? I ain't walking around my bag on me stuff that I'm about to wear that. Because if I had this shit on me the whole time, y'all niggas would be weird. Not to know I got this shit.
I don't give a fuck you a person at this time, man. I respect you guys.
Whoa.
Bloody fuse in this bitch. Don't start taking me to bed.
Who your bitch? Bed.
No, I ain't used that.
I ain't gotta comb my hair. Come comb my shit for me.